Hi children, welcome back to your science class. So last class we studied about functions of root, isn't it? Everybody studied. What are the functions of root we studied? Yes, first one is root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, then what is the second function? Root fixes the plant to the soil. Okay, then in some plants root store food for the plant. So three functions of root we already studied in the last class. Everybody completed workbook and one practice question also I given. Did it? Okay. So today we are going to discuss about different types of root. So today's class, aim of our class is, yes, explain different types of root. Okay, yes. Different types of root. Okay, there are two types of root. How many? Two types of roots are there. Okay, which are the two types of root? First one is tap root and second one is fibrous root. Okay, so there are two types of root. Roots are divided into two. First one is tap root. Okay, then second one is fibrous root. This part is little difficult, little only. Okay, so listen carefully, then you can easily understand. Okay, so there are two types of root, tap root and fibrous root. Okay, so now I will show to you two types of root. Plant with these two types of root. Okay, so first I will show to you tap root. Okay, so these are the plants, two plants now I am going to show to you. Okay, look, this is jackfruit tree. Jackfruit tree is plant only. So this one is tap root. This plant have tap root and this is some wild plant I took from outside. Okay, this also a shrub. This also have tap root. Okay, so what is tap root? From this picture you are getting anything about tap root? Can you say any point about tap root? Okay, I will say. Okay, what is tap root? Tap root has one main root. You look children, a strong and big one root you can see. Isn't it? This one. Okay, one main root. Okay, then some small roots are coming from this main root. Some small roots are coming from this main root. So what is tap root? Tap root has one main root. One main root. Okay, then some small roots are coming from where? Yes, some small roots are coming from this main root. Okay, some small roots are coming. From where? This main root. Okay, so what is tap root? Tap root has one main root. This one main root is otherwise called primary root. These main roots are also called primary root. Okay, then some small roots are coming from the main root. These small roots are called secondary roots. Okay, so primary root and secondary root. Okay, main root are called primary root and small roots are called secondary root. Okay, so today we studied two keywords. Which are the two keywords? Yes, it is, first one is tap root and second one is fibrous root. Okay, so what is tap root? Tap root has one main root or one primary root, okay, and some small roots are coming from the primary root, okay, or main root. So small roots are called secondary root. Most of the plants have this tap root, okay. Most of the plants like mango tree, hibiscus plant is a shrub, isn't it? So most of the shrubs also having this kind of root, tap root, okay. Tulasi, this all plants have a tap root, okay. So example for tap root, tulasi, we can tulasi. Example for tap root, tulasi, then mango tree, hibiscus plant, all having tap root, okay. How can we draw tap root? So I will show to you how to draw the tap root. So I think everybody understood about tap root, okay. So tap root has one main root and some small roots are coming from the main root, okay. So how to draw? We can draw now. How to? We will see now how to draw tap root, okay. So first we have to draw one big root, okay. One big root we have to draw, okay. Yes, big root. Then some small roots are coming from this, look, small roots are coming from the main root, okay. So which one is primary root here? This big root, okay. So we can write primary root, okay. Big root. And these small roots we can see it is secondary root, okay. Secondary root. This is the way you have to draw the tap root, okay. So tap root has one main root and some small roots are coming from the main root, okay. So I think everybody understood what is tap root. Example for tap root, tulasi, hibiscus, mango tree, etc. Okay. Can I take next one, fibrous root? Okay. So next we can discuss fibrous root, okay. Fibrous root. Yes, fibrous. This fibrous root do not have what? Main root, okay. Fibrous root do not have main root, okay. Some small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. Some small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. So I will show to you, okay. So all the grasses like maize, rice, all have a fibrous root, okay. Look, this is fibrous root. This is one grass, isn't it? Now can you see the root? Look here children, can you see any main root? No, isn't it? No main root, no big root. All are small roots, isn't it? It is coming from where? Coming from the bottom of the stem. Here this much stem, isn't it? Bottom of the stem, the small roots are coming and it is spreading to different direction, isn't it? So what is fibrous root? Fibrous root do not have main root or primary root. It do not have main root, okay. Some small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. Small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem, okay. So what is fibrous root? Fibrous root do not have main root, okay. Not have main root. Some small roots are coming from the where? From the bottom of the stem. Okay. So what is fibrous root? Fibrous root do not have main root. Some small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. Okay. So we know no main root. All are small roots that is coming from the bottom of the stem and it is spread into different directions. Okay. Then one tree. So all the grasses have fibrous root we told. Okay, one tree has fibrous root. Can you say which tree has? Yes, it is familiar to you. Everywhere we can see. Which tree is that? Yes, it is coconut tree. Okay, then so examples for fibrous root. All the grasses like maize, rice, wheat, all are grasses, isn't it? This all we can find fibrous root. Okay, then a coconut tree also we can say example. Coconut tree also have fibrous root. Okay, so I think everybody understood what is fibrous root and what is taproot. Okay, so fibrous root do not have any main root and some small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. Okay, example for fibrous root: rice, maize, all the grasses are the example for the fibrous root. And we can say example coconut tree also example for fibrous root. Okay, now everybody understood? Okay, I hope everybody understood what is taproot and fibrous root. While madam telling, that time itself need to study. Otherwise you will forget it because it is little difficult. Okay, so I think after my class it is clear to you, isn't it? Okay, so there are two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. What is taproot? Taproot has one main root. It is big and strong main root is there, and some small roots are coming from the main root. Okay, example mango tree, tulasi, hibiscus. Okay, then what is fibrous root? Fibrous root do not have main root, but small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. Example for fibrous root: all the grasses like rice, maize, wheat, etc. are the example for fibrous root. Okay, now we can discuss workbook. Okay, everybody take your workbook. Yes, workbook page number 22. Everybody take page number 22. Yes, here page number 22. Write date first. Okay, write the date. What is the name of our lesson? Types of roots. Now we discussed two types of roots. So in the first column, what you have to do, children? Draw a taproot. So I already draw and showed you. I drew here, isn't it? That you have to draw that picture you have to draw in the workbook. Okay, and you have to label primary and secondary root. So which is primary root? Yes, that thick strong root is primary root, and small roots we can see that is secondary root. Okay, then what is the next question? Next question is identify the type of root shown in the picture. Give reason for your answer. Okay, which type of root is this? Which type of root this in this picture? Which type of root we can see? Yes, it is a grass, isn't it? So it is fibrous root. Why it is fibrous root? Yes, it is because some small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. Some small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. So it is fibrous root, and it is spread into different direction, isn't it? We can see it is spread into different direction. So it is fibrous root. Got it? Okay. Then third question we will discuss. Yes, coconut trees grown in sandy soil. Sandy soil means, you know, sand. We use it to make buildings and all sand. Okay, so coconut tree grow in the sandy soil. What type of root does a coconut tree have? Yes, now only we discussed which type of root or coconut tree have. Yes, it is fibrous root. Why it has fibrous root? Yes, it has fibrous root. Then how with this fibrous root this plant can, this big tree, isn't it? How it can grow? Yes, it has fibrous root. That because small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem. Small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem and it spread into different direction. Spread into different direction and fixes the plant to the soil. Okay, this is the way coconut tree is growing on this soil. Okay, so how we can write the answer? It is fibrous root. Why it is fibrous root? Because small roots are coming from the bottom of the stem and it spread into different directions and fixes the plant to the soil. Okay, so that is why coconut tree has fibrous root. I hope now everybody understood about the workbook also. Will you do? Okay, I think everybody can do it alone. No need of madam's help. Okay, so you try to do alone and I like your answer. What you are writing alone, that I like more. Okay, so try to do alone. And now after completing this, we already completed 5 practice questions, right children? So 5 practice questions we completed. Now we are going to discuss about 6th practice question. What is this 6th question? Okay, name 2 plants each with fibrous root and tap root. Very simple, isn't it? What are the 2 plants have tap root and 2 plants have fibrous root? Tap root you can write mango tree, tulasi, hibiscus, most of the plants. Okay, then what are the examples for fibrous root? All the grasses, rice, maize. Okay, coconut tree also you can write example. Okay, next one, which part of the plant makes food in a cactus? That we already discussed. Which part of the plant? Yes, which part? Yes, stem prepare food for the plant. Why? Because it do not have leaves. Its leaves are changed into spines, isn't it? That is why stem cook food for the plant. Okay, the next question is, how is the modification in a carrot plant different from the modification in a potato plant? How it is different? We know in carrot, which part of the plant we eat? Yes, we eat root of the plant, isn't it? But in potato, which part of the plant we eat? We eat, yes, stem of the plant, isn't it? So that is the difference between that modification in carrot plant and potato plant. Okay, so I hope everybody understood today's class. Today we discussed about 2 types of root. Okay, so you have to draw and study that 2 types of root. Okay, so tap root, mainly tap root you have to draw neatly. Okay, do it with pencil. Don't use pen for writing workbook and notebook. Keep it your notebook and workbook neat and clean, and everybody should complete the each block and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, I hope everybody got the idea about this lesson. Okay, so we can wind up today's class. Bye.